What's up, guys? So in today's video we will be talking all about expanding your personality. So many people are one-dimensional and they do not have many passions and they seem to be very one-dimensional. You cannot really have very good conversations with them, so I do hope that this video helps with that. So my first tip is that you should always be intellectually challenging yourself. You know, when I was younger, I didn't see the value in other fields that weren't related to mine. It was only later on that I saw the value and I became more knowledgeable about these things. So whatever the field is, whether it's business, science, philosophy, fitness, you should always be challenging yourself. And this helps you to interact better with people and have better conversations, since a lot of people are poor conversationalists and they just don't know what to talk about. So my second tip is to learn more about different religions and different types of spirituality, as well as learning all about ethics and morality. This helps you to see things in life from a more balanced perspective and to be more tolerant of different people and different cultures. Developing a diverse set of hobbies and increasing the amount of skills you can handle will really make you a more interesting person, and this will really help you socially as well as economically. So the next tip is to be able to develop your conversation skills and your charisma with people so you can have better social interactions. You should develop your sarcasm and humor so you can be more witty and be able to make jokes of yourself in conversations, as well as witty remarks about popular things. This helps with making you more likable and more interactable with people. Get out of your bubble and travel. Now, I know it's not easy for everyone to travel. Not everyone has that ability. It is understandable, but if you can't travel, you should at least be interested in traveling and learn more about it. But if you can, you should travel. Traveling really helps to open up your mind and introduce you to new things that you never thought were possible. It also teaches you about different people. It also helps you to interact better with people, since you have more experiences to talk about, you have better perspectives on things, and this really helps with your conversations with people as well as your holistic self. Talk to people across multiple races. Try to befriend them. You know, a lot of people are really conservative and small-minded and they cannot tolerate anyone. And by opening yourself to other people, other races, getting to know them, their culture, everything, this really helps you to really expand your mind, your personality, etc. So this one is something that a lot of people don't like to do, which is reading books. Now, if you don't like to read books, you can always apply this to movies, and that is to watch movies that have good stories and that have thought-provoking themes. But if you do read books, you should read books that are, whether it's self-help books or books on any other topic, philosophy, science, you know, you should really punch above your weight and read books. And this helps to really develop your mind and humble yourself. It also teaches you the difference between university, the type of knowledge you will learn in university, and the type of knowledge you will learn in books and the real world. And of course, it does help to develop your conversational topics that you can talk about, as well as your overall knowledge and personality. And my final tip is to get in tune with your insecurities and your emotions. We are all human, we all have insecurities. If you don't have insecurities, you're not a human, period. And we have to understand that and be more tolerant and relatable and not expect perfection expectations from each other, especially when it comes to relationships. We tend to have these perfection expectations. So by being more in tune with your emotions, this helps you to develop more empathy and understand people better. So guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you like this video, leave a comment below As always, don't forget to subscribe for more good stuff coming soon.